Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums. So let's get started and we'll start with environment MCQs today. Right? So which of the following international agreements addresses the conservation and sustainable use of marine biological diversity in areas beyond national jurisdiction? Okay? And this is a very important question. You should be knowing about this. Okay? Options are Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants, POPs. Option B, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Option C, Convention on Biological Diversity. And D, Nagoya Protocol on Access and Benefit Sharing. So C, option C, the Convention of Biological Diversity, it aims to promote the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity at the global level, and it includes the marine biological diversity in areas beyond national jurisdiction. I think most of you would have guessed UNFCCC, but it's not. Okay. Now, second MCQ, what is the term for the process of restoring degraded ecosystems to their original state through human intervention? Okay. So how can we restore the degraded ecosystem? That is the question here. So options are afforestation, B, reforestation, C, ecological restoration, and D, soil erosion control. So now let us see the answer for this question, guys. It is C, through ecological restoration. We refer to the process of repairing and restoring degraded ecosystems to their original state or functioning through active human intervention. And there are so many methods by which we can do this. We can do this ecological restoration through human intervention, right? Now third MCQ, which of the following is not a category of protected area as per the IUCN, okay, International Union of Conservation of Nature? So options are national parks, B, wildlife sanctuaries, C, biosphere reserves, D, urban settlements. I think it's a very easy question, guys, just a common sense. And sometimes you get such questions in UPSC paper also. So these questions are to just to get marks. Everyone gets such questions. Okay, so you should not leave these such questions. Okay, so the answer is D. Obviously, why would be IUCN be concerned with urban settlements? Okay, these are not classified at all as protected areas. Okay, so the protected ones are, as you know, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, and other conservation areas. Okay, now fourth MCQ, which of the following is a measure of the biological diversity within a given area, taking into account the variety of species and their abundance? Okay, so it's a how do I say, it's been frequently asked and something related to this, so you should be knowing about all this, like biodiversity criteria, about all that. So which of the measure is is the most important one? So A, species richness, option B, genetic diversity, C, species evenness, and D, biodiversity index. Okay, so through which of the measure we can come to know that whether an area is biodiversity rich or not. Okay, now let us see the answer. It is D. So the biodiversity index is a measure. Obviously with the index we can know, right? The term itself explains, it is self-explanatory, right? So it is a measure of the biological diversity within a given area, and it considers the variety of species present there and their abundance, and also it gives the insights into the ecological health and resilience of ecosystem. Final MCQ, which of the following pollutants is a major contributor to the phenomenon of ocean acidification? And this is a very easy question again, guys, and I've taught you this entire phenomena also, ocean acidification. There is one dedicated chapter in Shankar IAS. So options are A, carbon dioxide, B, methane, C, sulfur dioxide, and D, nitrogen oxides. Okay, so let's see the answer. obviously A, carbon dioxide is the major contributor to ocean acidification, a process where the pH level of seawater decreases due to the absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and this poses severe threat to the marine life and ecosystem. So again, today we have completed our MCQs plums, and we'll meet in the next next session, guys. Thank you so much.